Hi all, this is Arun, founder and CEO of Guvi. Welcome to the Guvi's new program for affiliate marketing. As you know, Guvi's mission is to take tech to masses. So we want to share our journey with you. If you have a loyal audience or if you have followers, feel free to share our products to them, and obviously we can share our revenue and then we can grow together. We have completely 3 products. One is self-paced courses in vernacular languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and other languages. Second one is a Zen class. Even there also we have the language-based choices. It's 3 months live classes, 3 to 5 months. It's both for working professionals as well as students. And the last one is the Hacker Kit, which is a gamified platform for the kids. Okay, so where the students from age 10 or even 7 can start coding till 12th grade. Okay, so all the people can come and learn and share with us, and let's impact the people together. I welcome you all for the affiliate program. Let's together impact the masses of India. Please do sign up for our affiliate program. Welcome you all.